Good morning.
Thutha wa gutura metereire kwa ihinda iraya na kuona ta mbeca ciao ikanyua kagera, riu aria maigithitie mbeca ciao bengi-ini ya Chase mari na mwihoko mweru thutha wa bengi nene kwanirira nimekwigwatira gicunji kia 75 kia mithithu yao.
18.75 will be available to you in a current account from day one. And another 18.75 will be available to you in a savings account that is earning 7%.
Gavana wa bengi nene ya Central Bank Patrick Njoroge ni augite ni agutigirira aria makuruhanirio na cieko cia gubora mbeca cia muingi ni matacokerio makinya mahio, akiuga ningi bengi ya SBM ni ikuyukia urugamiriri wa honge imwe hamwe na kwandika aruti a wira aria mari a bengi ya Chase.
We will have to let's say get as much, let's say, from the shareholders or from the those that borrowed and or those that took money out of the bank improperly. We'll need to get the assets. We'll freeze the assets, get them back, sell them, and then provide that as new liquidity, new assets that can be distributed to the depositors.
Bengi ya Chase ikoretwo igitwo ramatine wa bengi nene ya Central Bank rungu rwa ruhonge rwa guthaitira Aigithia niruo Kenya Deposit Insurance Corporation na yahingirwo kuri mweri wa kana mwaka-ini wa 2016 thutha wa kura kwa mabilioni ma mbeca na njira ina kiriga. Ndeto no igithiaga na mbere bengi nene ni coketie ciira igoti-ini wa kuregana na itua ria igoti ria gukanja kandarathi ya ucabithia wa mbeca njeru na iria irahetwo kambuni ya Delaru.
The Public Procurement Authority, it declared that Delaru was unlawfully awarded that contract. So there's no issue about termination of contract, so the wording is right in that sense.
Mbeca ici njeru itiagiriire gukorwo na mbica ya uthio wa mundu kiumbe.